Hey loves, in today's video I will be demoing the 3 different brushes that I purchased for the after Christmas sale. And first things first, I'm going to use the Expert Face brush and I'm going to use this CoverGirl foundation.
I'm looking for a girl tonight. Sexy comes in any color. It doesn't matter shape or size. She just gotta know she's fine. She's smarter than the average girl, but got a little gangster in her. Her inner beauty's out of this world. If I find
Now I'm going to do some color correcting for the darkness, dullness, and gray areas in my face.
girl who knows what she wants in life, who fist pumps independent in the club, dropping like it's hot all night. She ain't keep breaking it down.
I'm adding a second layer of foundation, just a little bit. I didn't use a full pump for both times.
I haven't seen, I'm gonna speak my heart. You're so beautiful, yeah, so damn beautiful.
Still using the Expert Face brush to blend out this concealer.
Searched around the world to find that perfect girl, but everywhere I looked I ran into a sea of pearls, which meant I could not choose, cause you're so beautiful. And I just got so dizzy cause my heart still wanted you. So now that I'm all in love with all of the ones.
Now I'm going to take this sculpting brush and blend out the edges of my concealer and anything else that needs to be blended.
If the right one I discover, come on, you're so beautiful, come on, so damn beautiful, come on, you're so beautiful.
Setting my under eye with this brush, and it picks up a good amount of product. Setting my face with this brush. Now I'm taking this contour brush and I'm going to do a light contour. Wiping off the contour, I'm going to use highlighter with this brush.
It doesn't matter shape or size. She just gotta know she's fine. She's smarter than the average girl, but got a little gangster in her. Her inner beauty's out of this world. If I find her, I'ma say, you're so beautiful.
Adding blush with this brush. Love the way it's coming out. Taking that sculpting brush to blend out any lines of demarcation. adding highlight to the apples of my cheek. Love that.
That girl who knows what she wants in life, who fist pumps independent in the club, dropping like it's hot all night. She achy breaking it down. Who knows how to ride that beat? Double team it. So if this girl I ever see, I'm gonna speak.
This is like, I feel like the best my makeup has looked in a really long time. Simply because I like the way that, like, you know, my cheeks are popping and shining. I love that look. Y'all. Y'all. So yeah, y'all wasn't gonna tell me. Y'all wasn't gonna tell me about these Real Technique brushes now. Y'all was just gonna leave me out the loop. That's what y'all was gonna. I understand that. That's crazy. I am just blown away because I love how everything looks. Like, I like that shine factor right here. I put a little bit on the tip of my nose, and I have like a light contour, and the highlight goes up like that. Like, oh my goodness. These brushes performed really, really well, exceeded my expectations, especially, I mean, bruh, I just think it looks so pretty, like. And then it's like, I don't have any lines of demarcation. Like, everything is blended so seamlessly. Listen, y'all don't hear me. You can't say that the kid don't be putting y'all on. I be doing it. I be doing that, okay? The first impression, and with me, I like to use things more than once to give like a concrete judgment on it. But for the price point, I have a haul coming up soon too. You remember I told you that they were $2.50 to $1.22. So y'all sitting at home playing, right? And I'm trying to put y'all on so y'all makeup could look flawless. You dig? Like, I'm trying to give y'all the scoop, right? So the makeup could be like sitting, like, it's not sitting. It's not sitting. Is it sitting? Y'all don't hear me. Oh my God, y'all don't understand. I'm for the glow. So Lauren, yes, girl. You told me to get this. You told me to stop playing the game. It was $34 though. But yeah, still love it though. Oh my gosh, she told me to stop playing these games. And I got this, and look at my cheeks, y'all. And this brush did its thing, y'all. This little brush where you just put in a little apple right there and then you swipe it up to get that highlight. Y'all don't hear me. But listen, I am blown away. I love, love, love the outcome. And then I'm going to show you something really quickly with, like, you know, the Dollar Tree and these travel size brushes, right? You know how you go to the Dollar Tree and you get this sewing kit? And it comes with all this, you know, stuff in here, interesting stuff that you need if you get a mishap and things like that. Child, I'm about to dump this thing on now. Put my little brushes in this junk. So here's a little clear bag, right? I want to see if these little things could fit because I told you they're really small, right? Boop, that's one. That's two. And this is three. So all of my brushes to apply my whole face, my whole foundation, everything is in here. Y'all know how I talk about the Sassy and Chic 3-count cosmetic brushes, right? This one to carve out my brows, right? I'll use this one to carve out my brows, okay? Now, if I wanted to take this one to, like, you know, smoke out my under eye, whatever the case may be, and then I needed something to do my eyebrows, I could pop these little Johns in here and be set. Come on now. I'm trying to put y'all on, right? Look. I love y'all so much. I highly, highly recommend. Y'all added some more highlight. I couldn't. Look, look, look. Look at this, y'all. Come on. Look at my cheeks. Oh my God, I got my cheeks popping. I am in love. I gotta put my Dollar Tree Fix Mist, whatever, spray to blend all these things together. Y'all don't hear me. Definitely my favorite two so far for the first impression is definitely going to be this one. I believe these two are my favorite out of the three. Like I mentioned previously, I like to try things more than once. But the way it got my cheeks popping on this camera, though, oh my God, like, hold my mirror up so you can see how intense it gets. But it's totally, it's even totally worth the $5 that it was originally. $4.88. It's totally even worth that. But to get it for $1 and some change, like, I just can't believe it. But I definitely had to apply some more highlight because I just love the way that it looks so much. Like, oh, look at this, girl. Sorry, I just like to, I get so excited because it's fun and because it's so cheap. Like, you know what I mean? It's not like you're breaking the bank, but like, I'm feeling myself on today with this makeup. I really like the way that it looks.